Hello, my name is Carlandria Edwards, and today I'm going to talk to you about a great communication app called GroupMe. Sometimes communicating through group messaging can be very difficult. Some people have a hard time with iMessage or using iPhones and Androids in the same group, and it can be very frustrating, especially when it is something super important related to school or work or any type of team project. So, my question to you is, have you ever had trouble communicating with a group? And some people say, I didn't get any of those messages, or I don't have an Android, I have an iPhone, and so some of the messages aren't going through. When this happens, it puts a strain on whatever you're doing. GroupMe is a free messaging app that lets you communicate with groups all over the place, or individually with one person. Keep in mind that GroupMe can still charge for sending and receiving text messages, or if you are using the data to use the app. But other than that, the app is completely free. GroupMe works with Windows, iOS, and Android. You can also set up your email, and if you are on the desktop and using the web version of GroupMe, you can enter your Facebook details, Microsoft account, and Google accounts, and then start chatting from there. I have provided a small demo to show you what GroupMe looks like on a cellular device. So this is what GroupMe looks like on a smartphone, and as you can see, there are plenty of groups that you can chat in, including big groups, small groups, or individuals as well. So here's a look at some of the groups that I have provided. Now when you go into your menus bar on your contacts, you can be put in teams with people you have already been grouped with before, or individually, even though they're not in your personal contacts list. But if you would like to put your personal contacts, you can go to Find Friends from Contacts, and you can connect your friends and invite them to GroupMe. So how you would connect your contacts is you press Find Friends from Contacts, then it will ask you if you would like to connect, and it's secure so they don't save any of your contacts on your server. You press Sure, then once it's done working, your contacts will be connected and they will start to appear in your contacts list. Then you can go to invite any of your friends that you would like to start chatting with. Now, when you go back into your menu bar, you can go to your settings, and your settings have a lot of cool themes. So you can do a nice dark theme, or you can keep it light. You can mess with your notifications, your sounds, your SMS delivery. And then if you go back into the menu bar to your personal profile, it'll keep all your personal information. You can also add your Facebook and Twitter account. Going back into the menu bar to the chats, and that is what it looks like on a cellular device. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like on a laptop. So when you go to Google and you search up the website GroupMe, it'll take you to there, and now you can log in to your account with your email or phone number and your password. And then once you log in, it'll ask you to verify your account, and it'll send you either a text message or it'll call you. So once you enter in that PIN, you will be good to go. So once you verify, it will bring you to your main screen of your chats, and then you can click on up to 3 chats at a time or at the same time. And then once you go into the full screen bar, you can exit out those chats that you have stacked on each other, and that is how you would do the multi-chatting. So in conclusion, GroupMe is a great way to communicate with people, whether it is in a small or large group, or even individually with others. Some examples for me is I am a residence assistant, and so I use GroupMe to connect with the other RAs in my building or my supervisor. And it helps us keep up with meeting times, or what we would like to do to hang out with each other, or what we like to eat, or just overall talking about anything throughout the day. So by using GroupMe, it is very important because it keeps all of your contacts secure. It's a great and faster way to communicate, and overall you just get all your work done with your team projects, or if you just want to chat with all your friends in the same setting, it's a great way to use it as well. Thank you for listening to my presentation.